Hey guys, I just made terrain save. Look at this. So, if I go here and generate some terrain, let's make it small so that it doesn't take forever to load. And let's set the seed, Arctic, lava, blah blah blah, all that, and generate. Now it will generate, and it's pretty damn fast, even though it's fucking. While it's doing that, it's also checking the occupancy of each chunk. There's chunks now, so okay, so we just saved that, or we just made that. Now we're gonna save as, and then terrain2.rbxl, and for some reason it doesn't show my old terrain save. There it is, never mind. Okay, whatever. I'm saving, serializing chunks. It's gonna take a while. Hope. Not enough storage. Oh shit, I don't have enough storage. Ah, fuck. Well, that sucks. Well, okay, you know what? Let me delete the old terrain. Apparently, okay, well, yeah, that makes sense. It's a lot of data that has to be stored to do it, but the good thing is that I actually serialize with, or I compress with LZW whenever in the final result, so it is a lot less than it has to be, or it's a lot less than it would be if it wasn't compressed, is what I'm trying to say. Okay, anyway, let me go here and delete terrain 1. Okay, I just cleared a bunch of bytes. So now, let's try to save again. Hopefully it works this time. Okay. Yes, it does. Or hopefully it does. Yes, it does. Okay. So, now we're gonna erase the place, and then open terrain 2. Now watch this. You're gonna see all the chunks loading. Look at that. Did you just see all those chunks load? Look at that. Isn't that cool? I made a custom system that has 16 by 16 by 16 cell chunks, and each of the chunks each of the chunks are indexed by a 12-byte coordinate value that has 3 axes, and basically if it's in the center chunk, it'll be 0, 0, 0. If it's a chunk next to it, it'll be like 0, 0, 1 or something. Basically it minimizes the size of that is required by the position. And also, so there's also a header value that is appended to the beginning of each serialized data. And what this header does is it allows you to save data, and then if for some reason something in the module has to change in the future, it can still recover that header and load the old module value, so that it can always load old serialized terrain no matter what changes in the model, or changes in the module. In fact, I'm going to show you my source code. So here's the settings, here's the stuff. We've got this module heavily relies on string.pack. So here's the order of the value types in the header. So, and I wrote this all myself. So here's read header, all that stuff. So update occupied chunks by region 3. So it gets the chunks that are containing the region 3, and then it reads the voxels, and if it's empty, it sets the occupied chunks value to nil, which it means there's nothing there. And if it's there, it will set it to true. And this just checks for, this just is a big array that just tells the master script what is actually there. since Roblox doesn't have a default function to do that. But anyway, then there's serialized stuff is down there. I won't show that yet, but once I make the game open source, you'll be able to see it yourself. But anyway, oh yeah, here's a really cool thing right here: material dictionary. So basically, this just shrinks materials into a value that can be stored in 1 byte. It's really useful. But anyway, yeah. Oh yeah, also one more thing. Now the plugins can actually use the mouse. Well, at least I think they can. Oh wait, I deleted the. Okay, I deleted the part that got appended or added to the workspace. So let me just load in, and then give me a plugin part. Look at that. It moves this part based on the mouse, and this is server-sided too. It's actually updating server-sided using the mouse. Let me insert it. A frozen instance. Okay, apparently I just crashed the game. Apparently Roblox just crashed. Ah, shit. I think it just fucked up my... Ah, shit. Okay, I'm gonna have to figure that out. I think I just corrupted my save data with a fucking bug. That's not good. Okay, never mind. It's working now. Okay. So, alright, there's that. If I insert from file and then go into plugins and go to first plugin, you'll see, oh my god, what is happening? Okay, something's wrong with Sober apparently. Dude, what the fuck? Hold on a second. Okay. Oh, it's the video. Okay, whatever. Anyway, I was just trying to show the damn code, but whatever. At least, basically, you just use the standard get mouse function of the plugin, and it'll give you the mouse. So that's how. Okay, whatever. That's annoying. But anyway, if you guys think that saving terrain is cool, leave a comment and saying that you think it's cooler, I guess. But yeah, that's it for this video. Goodbye.